Hello students, now again I am with you with another topic of project management, the concept of project management. In the previous two lectures, I am talking about the project only. Now I am going to project management, and the project management is a discipline of planning, organizing, securing and managing the resources to bring about the successful completion of specific goals and objectives. Basically, project management is an discipline in which we go with the planning, organizing, securing and managing the resources with the successful completion of specific project goals and objectives. So if we are going with the projects and there is a need to planning, and without planning there is nothing to do as an students, as an management students. So there are different systems or the various functions of management which are involved in the project. So basically in the first or second discussion I am talking about the project. So basically what is project, and now I am talking about the project management. So there is a two words, project and project management, and the management as you know, the art of getting things done through the peoples with the help of various activities. Like there are different functions of management also: planning, organizing, directing, staffing and controlling. So all these functions are also carried in the project management. On the basis of these, the project management can be defined. So project management is a discipline of planning, organizing, securing and managing the resources, and to bring about the successful completion of specific goals and objectives. Then second thing is, the project management is application of knowledge, skills and techniques to execute the project effectively and efficiently. If you are a project manager, then you need specific knowledge about the techniques, about the execution of project. If you have the knowledge, then you execute the project effectively and efficiently. Third one is project management institutes. Project Management Institute, a guide to project management body of knowledge, it is known as PMBOK, identifies the various recurrings of elements. Like project management process falls into the 5 groups of the terms, and project management process falls into the 5 groups of such as initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, controlling and closing. As I discussed with you in the second lectures about the project process and other things, and project management knowledge basically draws on the 9 areas of the, like integration, scope, time, cost, quality, procurement, human resources, communication and risk management. These are the 9 areas on the basis of knowledge of project management draws, and this is a process which falls into the 5 groups of the initiation, planning, execution, monitoring, controlling and closing. And all the management is basically deals with the planning, scheduling, controlling and monitoring of complex non-routine activities that must be completed to reach of the predetermined objectives of the project. And on a critical examination, we see that each project has feedback mechanism also. So basically the project management is concerned with these of the terms, means the project management brings a unique focus and shaped by the goals and resources and schedule of each project. Basically the value of that focus is proved by the rapid and worldwide growth of project management as a separate areas of study and as a mode of functioning also. So we can say that the project management is how it is important in nowadays or in the business areas. So basically the project management it deals with the planning, scheduling, controlling and monitoring the complex non-routine activities Not only the routine activities, but it is controlling the non-routine activities that must be completed to reach the predetermined objectives. But these activities depends on predetermined objectives of a project. Basically, on the critical examination, we can say that each project has the feedback mechanism also. Then, on the basis of these, the project management involves the coordination of groups activities, wherein the managers plans, organize the staff, direct and control to achieve the objectives with constraint on time, cost and performance of the end product also. So, on the basis of these, the project management, so basically plans, organizing, staffing, direct and control to achieve the an objective with the constraint on time, cost and other things. So network techniques are primarily used for project planning and controlling. So for the planning and controlling, then we use the network planning, and planning is the process of preparing the commitment of the resources and in most economical manners. Controlling is another process of making events confirm to schedule by coordinating by action of all parts of the project to achieve the objectives also. Now I am going to discuss with you the importance of project management. Importance of project management. Basically, the project management is the art of managing the project and its deliverables with a view to produce a finished product or service. There are many ways in which the project can carried out and the way in which it is executed in project management. Project management includes the identification requirement, the establishing clear and achievable objectives, and balancing the competing demands from different stakeholders and ensuring that commonality of purpose is achieved. Basically, it is clear that unless there is a structured and scientific approach to the practice of management, organization that would find themselves and hence would be unable to meet the myriad challenges and the modern era of the at the time. Hence, importance of project management to organization cannot be emphasized more, and several reasons why the project management is important now is discussed. The first thing is reduction in product life cycle. This is the first point which present the importance of the project management. Product life cycle is one of the most significant drive force behind the demand of project management, and as the lives of the products are shortened, time to the market for new products and with life cycles has become increasingly important. Basically, innovation and invention becomes the key for the success, and speed to the innovate or invent the becomes competitive advantage. More and more organizations are depending on the cross-functional project teams to get new products and services to the market as quickly possible. Second thing is global competition. Basically, in the global competitive today's market, customers want cheaper product and services with better quality and cheaper prices also. This is the global competition. This had lead to the emergence of the quality movement across the world in the International Standard Organization certification, which requirements for doing businesses. Quality management and improvement essentially require the project management. As the basic elements of project management concentrate on time, cost and quality, and project management has become a style for managing the business. Third one is knowledge explosion. Basically, the knowledge explosion world over has increased the complexity of managing the project, and project complexities have increased the demanded integration of relevant technology. To manage all these things, project management is the only one way. And fourth one is corporate downsizing. Downsizing means the restructuring of organization. In the recent years, we have seen that resulted into the downsizing, the right-sizing and downsizing and sticking to core competencies have become essential for survival of many organizations. Fifth is increased customer focused. This is the another importance of the project management. Increased competition has increased the expectation of the customer. Basically, the customers expect the customized product and services instead of the generic product or generic ones. The customization of product and service requires better understanding of the customer needs by the product team and members of the customers are more aware and their changing needs are to be taken into account to survive in the market. And sixth one is managing a small project. Nowadays, this is the competitive world and the situation has emerged and in the organization and that many projects are run concurrently. These resulted into the multi-projects environment and also plethora of new problems. Sharing and prioritizing resources across the portfolio of the project is major challenge for the top level management. Now, typically in the course of managing many projects, large projects are given more importance than the small project and small project typically carried the same or more risk as two large projects. Small projects are perceived as having little impact on the bottom line causes. They do not demand large amount of scarce resources and or money. Unfortunately, many small projects soon added up to the large sum of monies and their inefficiencies would result into the adverse impact. Next one is the upsurging of third world and closed economy. This is the gradual opening of the emerging economies has created an explosion of demand for the goods and services within these economies of their development. Thus, new markets emerge in scenarios. The developed markets have started to introduce their products and services into their market. Many firms are using project management techniques to establish distribution channels and foreign based of operation also. So these are the basic points which discuss the importance of the management and project management is integrated approach. Basically, many project managers have tried to many tools and techniques and system to manage the project. These piecemeal systems fail to integrate the overall strategy of the organization and connect the selected projects to the resources. If they are failed to realize the application of project, then they control the method of appreciating adjustment. That's why we can say that lots of importance, lots of things which are very related to the terms of the project. The project may be effective and other things. Now, the conclusion of project management, basics of project management. Without the scientific and approach to the task of managing the project and achieving the objectives, it would be very difficult for the organization to successfully execute the projects within the constraints of time, scope, and quality and deliver the required results. In other words, we can say that there has been a framework and defined way of doing things. So, in the next discussion, we have to go for the frameworks and other things and to ensure that there are structure to art of project management. Basically, the project management is about creating structure and managing the project commitment and the delivery of agreed upon the results. So, project management is both necessary and essential to success of the project. In the conclusion, we can integrated project management and practice of same have become indispensable to the modern day project management. And technical side of the project represents the science of project management and social culture side represent the art of managing the projects. That's all. Thank you for watching. If you have any queries, then ask me.